How to change 230 SL excavator bucket teeth. Take this pin right here. I'll show you what those pins look like. Put a punch on top of them. Take a hammer. Punch those pins. You see the pins punched out there? This is what those pins will look like. And just pull your tooth. Twitch on like that. Just pull it straight off. And then on like this tag 2 foot budget, you will have to punch your next one down while this one's on. You have to punch because it's punched through. You have to punch through this hole like so. Put it down to there. Straight through like that, and that holder broke, which you'll have that problem. You'll need to buy new holders and teeth whenever you do this. But you see that there fell off. But that's how you do it. You just punch a hole through there, and then you're good. And I'll show you the process of putting them back on to get to that point. You know how to put teeth back on. Just like you took them off, take your tooth, make sure there's nothing inside it, make sure you're all good right here. You can see this one's wore, this holder's wore. That holder will be replaced at some point, but that's not today. Slide it up there like that, get your hole lined up like so. Put your new holder on there, put your new pin down on there. You just simply take a hammer. Until it's setting flush. Make sure you're setting flush on the bottom and on top, and you got it. Make sure you know they're good and tight. Shouldn't be any wiggle, and you're good. And you continue on these. I'll show you how to get those off in a second. Take a punch from this side through and punch this way. Okay. I guess I should say that these say back on them, and that back piece goes in the tooth like that, and the one side that says back goes towards the back of the bucket. The two little notches here and here go towards the front of the tooth, and always make sure that you have holders that are designated for your tooth style, which 230 will either be 230 or 23P. So yeah, keep that in mind. When you put those in, they go in, say just like that. The back's towards that way, it's towards that way, and then you get them in there. The center teeth are in there by taking a drift, or wiggling it in there, and taking a drift and putting it on top of them, and tapping one side and the other side, and just keep going back and forth. If you have one that's real hard, you can take an iron hammer and do it. So